June the 5th, 2020. Guys, there's an update coming in just a few minutes ago at 1 p.m. Central Time from the National Hurricane Center. Now, this morning, Cristobal was a tropical depression. It's back over warm water now, and it has reformed into a tropical storm. If you look along the coast of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, you see this yellow line. Those are tropical storm watches, okay? And because it's off land, it has doubled in speed. It was at 6 miles an hour this morning as far as the movement of the center. But now it's at 12 miles an hour. So in this morning's update, it was going to be very close to the shore of Louisiana at 8 p.m. Sunday. But now that has been up an hour because of the forward speed, and that could change. But again, 7 p.m. making landfall, 7 a.m. Sunday, the storm's already very close, and you're going to be experiencing tropical storm winds. But for my friends in Louisiana, all the way over to the Florida Panhandle, and here in Mississippi, Alabama, you guys pay attention to it. You're going to have about, from on the right side of the storm, 2 to 3 4-foot storm surges. It's not that much, but if your boat's tied up, it can make the difference. So make sure you got extra lines on it, and you guys in Louisiana, that can make a big difference in the low-lying areas. And the models haven't changed that much. We're going to look at it, guys, but because it's narrowing down, you can see now it's not over into the Alabama side as far as the potential path. That path now is along the Mississippi-Louisiana line along the coast and over to the Louisiana-Texas line on the left. Let's look at some satellite imaging. Now, if we take a look at this satellite image, guys, you can tell exactly what's going on. This morning, the storm was ashore when we did the earlier report, but now you can see it's moved back into the Gulf, and it is headed straight north for you guys in Louisiana and us in Mississippi. But again, you got tropical storm warnings up around this entire area. But the moisture going across Florida, guys, has been relentless, and I'm sure there's some spots that are getting it worse than others. Some of you have been catching it for a while. Now, as we watch this, we should get a report about 4 o'clock this afternoon. I'm not sure if they're going to send Hurricane Hunter aircraft out at that time, but as fast as this thing is recharging itself, I'm still looking at the possibility of it becoming an extremely strong tropical storm, which could go up to 73 miles an hour, and then 74 is a Cat 1 hurricane. That's going to change everything, the amount of storm surge, the winds, the amount of rain. We're watching it, guys. Again, just a quick update. This is a heads up. Be safe.